Magandang araw mga kasipnayan! Welcome to Sir Ocnic's YouTube channel. In this video, we will determine the equation of the circle in general form given the coordinates of the center and its radius. Let us have first a review. The center radius form of the circle is given by the formula quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared, wherein the center is at hk and r is the radius. Let us convert x squared plus y squared plus 10y equals 0 into center radius form. By grouping, this is the same as quantity x squared plus quantity y squared plus 10y equals 0. Let us make the second group of terms a perfect square trinomial by identifying the constant term. And that will be 10 over 2 is equal to 5 squared, that is positive 25. Since we add positive 25 on the left side of the equation, do not forget to add also positive 25 on the other side. Let us express a trinomial into a square of a binomial. That is equal to x squared plus quantity y plus 5 squared is equal to 25. Since we now have the equation in center radius form, we may now identify the center of the circle by identifying the values of h and k based on the equation. So the center of the circle is at 0, negative 5, while the length of the radius is equal to positive 5, since r squared is equal to 25. Let us now identify the equation of a circle in general form given the coordinates of the center and its radius. Let us have our first example. Identify the equation of the circle in general form if the center is at 3, negative 5 and whose radius is 2 units. So the first thing to do is to identify the center radius form of the equation, since the coordinates of the center is given and the length of the radius is also given. So using quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared, the center radius form of the equation is quantity x minus 3 squared plus quantity y plus 5 squared is equal to 2 squared. Now let us expand the two square of binomials. X minus 3 squared is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 9, while quantity y plus 5 squared is equal to y squared plus 10y plus 25 is equal to 4. Now let us arrange the terms in the given equation, and that is equal to x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 10y plus 9 plus 25 minus 4 is equal to 0. We need to equate the equation in terms of 0 since we are trying to write in general form. So after this one, let us combine like terms. We will then have x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 10y plus 30 is equal to 0. This is now the general form of the equation of the circle. Identify the equation of the circle in general form if the center is at 4, 7 and whose radius is 5 units. So let us first rewrite this one into center radius form, since we now have the values of h, k, and r. The center radius form of the equation is at x minus 4 squared plus y minus 7 squared is equal to 5 squared. By expanding the square of binomials, we will then have x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus y squared minus 14y plus 49 is equal to 25. Rearranging the terms in descending order, that is equal to x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 14y plus 16 plus 49 minus 25 is equal to 0. Combining all constants, that will be x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 14y plus 40 equals 0. This is now the general form of the equation. Identify the equation of the circle in general form if the center is at -3 and -2 and whose radius is 4 units. By rewriting in a center radius form, using the values of h, k, and r, we will then have quantity x plus 3 squared plus quantity y plus 2 squared is equal to 4 squared. Expanding the two binomials, we will then have x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 4y plus 4 equals 16. Rearranging all the terms in descending order, we will have x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 4y plus 9 plus 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. Combining all constants, that will lead us to x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is now the general form of the equation. Identify the equation of the circle in general form if the center is at -2, 7 and whose radius is 3 square root of 2 units. Using the given figures, let us rewrite the equation in center radius form. And that is quantity x plus 2 squared plus quantity y minus 7 squared is equal to the square of 3 square root of 2. Expanding the two square of binomials, we will arrive at x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 14y plus 49 is equal to 18. Rearranging all the terms, that is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 14y plus 4 plus 49 minus 18 is equal to 0. Combining all the constants, that will lead us to the general form of the equation, which is x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 14y plus 35 is equal to 0. Identify the equation of the circle in general form if the center is at 6, -8 and whose radius is 1/2 units. Rewriting the equation in center radius form, using the values of h, k, and r, that is equal to quantity x minus 6 squared plus quantity y plus 8 squared is equal to 1/2 squared. Expanding the two squares of binomial, that is equal to x squared minus 12x plus 36 plus y squared plus 16y plus 64 is equal to 1/4. Rearranging all the terms in the equation, that will lead us to x squared plus y squared minus 12x plus 16y plus 36 plus 64 minus 1/4 is equal to 0. By multiplying the whole equation by 4 to eliminate the denominator of 1/4, that will lead us to 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 48x plus 64y plus 144 plus 256 minus 1 is equal to 0. Combining all the constant terms will lead us to the general form of the equation, and that is equal to 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 48x plus 64y plus 399 is equal to 0. Let us now summarize what we have discussed in this video. The standard form of the equation of the circle is given by quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared, while the general form of the equation of a circle is given by x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f, wherein D, E, and F are constants. Let us now check your knowledge prior to this topic. Do not forget to pause this video while you are trying to answer this activity. Identify the equation of the circle in general form if the center is at 3, -5 and whose radius is 6 units. Using the values of h, k, and r, let us rewrite the equation in terms of center radius form, and that is equal to x minus 3 squared plus y plus 5 squared is equal to 6 squared. Expanding the two squares, that is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 10y plus 25 is equal to 36. Rearranging all the terms at the left side, that is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 10y plus 9 plus 25 minus 36 is equal to 0. Combining all constant terms will lead us to the general form of the equation, which is x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 10y minus 2 is equal to 0. Identify the equation of the circle in general form if the center is at 2, -2 and whose radius is 1/2 units. So using the values of h, k, and r, let us identify the center radius form first, and that is equal to x minus 2 squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to 1/2 squared. Expanding the two squares, we will arrive at x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 1/4. Rearranging all the terms at the left side of the equation, that will lead us to x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 4y plus 4 plus 4 minus 1/4 equals 0. Multiplying the whole equation by 4 to eliminate the denominator of 1/4, that is equal to 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 16x plus 16y plus 16 plus 16 minus 1 is equal to 0. Combining all constant terms will lead us to the general form of the equation, 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 16x plus 16y plus 31 is equal to 0. Thank you for watching Sir Ocnic's YouTube channel. If you think that this video is a big help, hit like, feel free to share, and do not forget to subscribe. Always have fun in learning math.